Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON getting stuck on the signing in screen on PC. If the game won't get past the login screen or stays stuck while signing into your account, follow these solutions one by one until the issue is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate MECCHA CHAMELEON. Right-click the game and select Properties. Make sure you're on the General tab. Locate Launch Options. Type the following command, -dx11. Close the Properties window. Now launch the game, and check if it gets past the signing in screen. If the issue persists, continue to the next solution. Solution 2. Go back to Steam. Right-click MECCHA CHAMELEON, and select Properties. Under the General tab, locate Steam Cloud. Disable Steam Cloud for this game. Close the window and launch the game again. If the game signs in successfully, the issue may have been caused by a cloud save synchronization problem. Solution 3. If the problem still isn't fixed, right-click MECCHA CHAMELEON and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the verification process to finish. Once it's complete, launch the game again. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now copy and paste the command provided in the description of this video into the command prompt window. Press Enter. Wait for the command to finish running. Once it's complete, close Command Prompt. Now launch MECCHA CHAMELEON again. After trying all the methods, launch the game once more. The signing in process should now complete successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.